welcome back. Today we have a new video. We talk about TypeScript fundamentals and TypeScript Java TypeScript interview questions, and today we talk about the types. What are types in TypeScript? So in TypeScript, basically types refer to fundamental concept that allows you to specify the shape and behavior of data. Types are used to enforce type checking and ensure that your code is consistent in terms of data structure and values. TypeScript provides a variety of ways work with types, allowing you to define custom types using built-in types and create more complex type composition. So let me put the answer here for you guys. So it will be so let's just put it like that here. So in TypeScript, oh shit. Okay, and by the way, I will push this to GitHub so you can see if you want and commit on it if you want. Okay, so yeah, let's just see. And let me do this and do this. Okay, so that's great. Okay, that's great. So first we want to talk about the basic types. Let's try to create a type. So first I want to talk about basic types. And here we want to try to create types. So I will create let age, which will be number, will be equals to 30, and maybe I'll create let name, string, why it's like that, block variable, okay, and we will have let is student, which is boolean. Let's call it person. So basically we have these we're creating right now. It's basic types. Like TypeScript provides several basic types to represent. We have primitive values such as numbers, strings, booleans, and also we have simples. We want to talk about the custom types. So yeah, so basically we have here y student. Why is wrong? Why it's duplicate? Where's the duplicates here? What? But it's different. Yeah, because it's the same. Should be quite unique. Okay, so for me, can we do it like that? Oh, sorry. Okay, so I did comment the wrong one. So we're right now creating custom types. So basically here you can define custom types using the type and interface keyword. Also, if you want, we can use the interface. if you want. And we make the next video, we talk about what are the differences between types and interface. So basically, what is the difference between giving this as type and what is the difference giving this as an interface. We have the type annotation, types, type notation. It will be like a function. Like here, type annotations are used to specify the type of a variable, function parameters, or return value explicitly. So for example, I will have a function called greet. Okay, called greet, and this one, it takes person and person a string, and also I want to make sure that it returns a string. So basically, it will return person again, for example, or return this one, and this is considered as a string also. We have union and intersection types. Let me copy it because I guess it will be easier to copy. For union and intersection types. So for example, the union type, it will be TypeScript supports union types values that can have one of several types. So for example, here it will be like type result, and it will be like could be a number or string, and this is union type. Okay, and we could have a type of result, let's call it result 2, and this could be have like this could be have the intersection, it's combining multiple types, so it could be something like that. It could be like object, or could be both, yeah, things like that. We have a type interface. So let's talk about it. So 5, it will be type interface, and TypeScript often infers types automatically based on the context, reducing the need for explicitly types annotation. So if I said that, for example, let age 2 equals 30, TypeScript interfers age to be a type of number, and it will not accept it if it was a string, if we have a string. We have 6, we talk about generics, and we have a specific video generics in the future, but today we will talk about generics. What's going on? Uh, 6 will be generics. We can talk about type alias also, because yeah, let's call about generics anyway. We call TypeScript in the quite further. So basically, TypeScript allows you to create generics types and a function that works with range of data types. So this is, for example, so basically you can identify could work with range of data. It depends on how will you define this T. You can say this T is it's a number, string, whatever you want. Let's go here 7. It will be, we want to use the advanced type. Advanced type. Oh. So basically here, TypeScript provide advanced type features such as map types, conditional types, and type predictates. For example, we have, I will give you this one, but it needs to describe. Let me try to describe it for you. Why it's anyway. Let me try to describe it for you. Where's that? Give me a minute. Yeah. So the read, let's read only two. So the read only type is in TypeScript is a utility type that allows you to create a new type where all properties of the original type, which is T, are marked as read only. In other words, it makes every property of T immutable, preventing any changes to their value after initialization. Okay, so this is the syntax as you can see. And for example, let's say talk T is a generic type parameter represented the original type whose properties you want to make read only. We have K in T, in K of T is a map type that iterates over each property K of the original type K. We have the read only type K. Specify that for each property K in T, okay, the original for each property K in T, the property in the resulting type should have the same name K and the same type, which would be a type of K, and but within the read only modifier. So let's just take an example for it. Let me copy for this example for you. So for example, if I have so for example, right now I create a mutable person. I create this type and I add this type to read only 2. Let's call it 2. Read only 2. And I when I create the read only person here, it's a read only. I cannot change it. So if you can say cannot assign the name because it is a read only one. So yeah. So let's go where we are right now. Yeah, we were on the advanced typing. So let's just go down there. I guess we have maybe two more to talk about. I guess yeah. Yeah, 2 more or 3 more, I guess. We have gone type number which number? Number 8, which will be type assertions. And type assertions allow you to assert that value conforms to specified type or overriding types checking. And type for here, like let's say let value equals any and it equals hello. And I want to make sure that the type assertions allow you to assert. So basically it equals any, but I want to accept it only if it's like I want to create something that makes sure that this, let's call it length 2. So here is, as you can see, for this one, I accept it only when it's a number. We have the nullable types. You can create a null types also if you want. For example, results could be string or null. We have alias type, and the alias type, it's basically if you have like 0.3 or something like that, it's the type alias allow you to create custom names for complex types, improving code readability if you want. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and that's it for all you need to know about types. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in future problems.